Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see another type of data visualization technique in terms of charts in Microsoft Excel. So let's open Microsoft Excel, open blank workbook, click on insert, and here you will find box and whisker chart. So click on this. So when I click on this, you will get an chart. So we have resized it, also resize the inner chart. Yeah, so now see, as this chart is selected, this chart is related to this cell. So let's insert some value from between 0 to 1. Suppose I write 0.2. So we have got a line. Now this box and whisker chart will create a box in a particular range. Like if you write here 0.3 and suppose 0.4. But still it has not changed in this chart. So click on the chart and you will see only 0.2 is selected. So extend the selection like this. So now see, the range, that is from 0.2 to 0.4, is been given in a particular box. Now I have to compare this reading with some another set of readings. Suppose let's say here it is 0.1, here it is 0.3 and this 0.45. So I have to compare this current reading with these readings. So extend your selection again like this. So now you can see that from 0.1, here it is 0.1 to 0.45 is the total range, and in that total range this 0.2 to 0.4 was the initial range. Now if I have to write here the third value, suppose, so 0.5, then 0.2 and 0.1. So see, this range has been given in this particular box. So in this way we can represent a box or a whisker chart in Microsoft Excel with a particular set of data in a column representing that particular boxes. Thank you all of you.